Hi, this is Soumya from Kanun Gurus, and today we'll know about the marital law and the necessities of it. Marital rape law, is it really required? Marital rape is an act of sexual intercourse with one's spouse without the spouse's consent. Every so often, our society has been witness to crimes against women in various forms, whether it be sexual assault, harassment, criminal offense, or any other form of offense. We have once again found one such instance of crime against women, which is very disheartening. Marital rape has become one of those controversial topics which is being debated upon endlessly, some being in the favor of criminalisation of marital rape, whereas some being against citing out possibilities of the law being misused and how it can be weaponized to make man vulnerable. What is the ground reality? Is such a law really needed when there are already a number of laws that protect married women, such as domestic violence laws and provisions against harassment and sexual assault? Statistics show more than two-thirds of the married women in India aged 15 to 49 have been beaten or forced to provide sex regardless of their socio-economic positions, as per the UN Population Fund. 1 in 5 men have forced their wife to a partners to have sex, as per International Men and Gender Equality Survey 2011. Over 104 countries across the world have criminalized marital rape. India, still being an exception, lies among those 36 countries of the world where a brutal offense like rape, if done by own husband, is not a crime. Marriage does not justify rape, it is not licensed to rape. Marital rape laws at hand in India. Section 375 of the Indian Penal Code defines rape as sexual intercourse with a woman against her will without her consent, by coercion, misrepresentation, or fraud, or at time when she is intoxicated or duped, or is in the form of unsound mind, health, and in any case if she is under 18 of age, providing exception to the law. Section 375(2) says sexual intercourse or sexual act by a man with his wife, the wife not being under the age of 15 years of age, is not a rape. As defined, Section 376 of IPC states as whoever, except in the cases provided for in the subsection 2, commits rape shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not last more than 7 years, but may extend to imprisonment to life, and shall also be liable to fine, articulating that non-consensual sexual intercourse by the husband with his wife, unless she is under 15 years of age, is not a rape. Making the consent of a married woman over 15 years of age immaterial. Also, the punishment for the rape of under 15 years of age wife by husband is milder in nature, giving no legal security to a married woman after the age of 15, which is against the basic human rights of a woman. Such a law also raises questions of it being contradictory. When legal age of a woman to be get married is 18, then why the shield for case of sexual mishandle is for those who are up to the age of 15? However, Section 376(b) provides for wives living separately after legal decrees, which says that if the man has sexual intercourse with a wife living separately after a legal decree but without her consent, he shall be punishable with imprisonment ranging from 2 to 7 years in addition to a fine. But this has failed to mollify feminists who say that non-inclusion of forced sex within marriage is abominable. Even though Section 376(b) addresses the concerns of the wives living separately, but what about those who suffer daily sexual indignities even while seemingly being in a legally valid marriage relationship? The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 provides some relief to the suffering women. Under this act, women can seek for relief from marital rape by court, which may give solutions like legal separation or annulment of marriage itself. Also, Section 498A of IPC acts as a last resort for women being subject to such cruelty, says, whoever being the husband or the relative of the husband of the women subjects such women to cruelty shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine. Thank you so much.